Hello and welcome to our training. In this video, you will learn how to access the settings panel and change the voting grid size. To begin, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. If the sidebar is not visible, simply press the escape key or click the settings arrow in the bottom left to toggle it on. Next, click on the General Settings section. This will open a drop-down menu of system options, including display preferences, anonymous mode, projector view options, and more. Opening the vote with the projector view turned on will allow you to access the settings panel in the action bar on the right side. When my cursor hovers over the gear icon, you can see it says Settings instead of Edit Topic. In the voting display heading, you can enter your desired grid size in the row and column fields. After I press the Save button, you can see the change in the grid size reflected above. Setting as default will automatically set the grid size for newly created agenda items. Now I will show you how to access the settings panel and change the grid size with the projector view turned off. You can turn off the projector view from the general settings. With projector view turned off, the grid will maximize upon opening the vote. In order to access the settings panel from this screen, simply press the escape key. Now I am once again able to change the grid size with the changes reflected in the background. Remember to set a default grid size to save time before your next meeting. Thank you for watching this training on how to access the settings panel and change the voting grid size. If you have any questions, please contact our support team or visit our knowledge base. Links will be provided on screen and in the video description.